Good morning friends. Today we will learn how to take reading using micrometer screw gauge. This is a micrometer screw and list count of this micrometer screw is equal to pitch distance by total number of division on circular scale. Pitch distance means smallest division on main scale. Here 0, 1 mm, 2 mm, 3 mm, 4 mm, 5 mm. But between 0 and 1 mm there is a one another mark. Means this is 0, this is 0.5, 1, 1.5, 0.5. So smallest division is equal to 0.5. Smallest division on main scale is equal to 0.5 and total number of division on circular scale is equal to 0 to 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. 0 to 49 means 50 division. 0.5 by 50 is equal to 0.02 millimeter is the least count of this micrometer screw gauge. Here is also range 0.01 mm. 0.01 mm. Here is the range already given on a micrometer screw gauge. The range of this micrometer screw is 0 to 25 mm and least count of this micrometer screw is 0.01 mm. Now first of all we will measure diameter of the sphere. Here we have one sphere and we want to measure the diameter of the sphere. So put this object between anvil and spindle using thimble. Now close this with the use of ratchet. When you hear the sound, stop rotating the ratchet. And now first there is a main scale reading. This is a main scale. Here is 50 mm, 15 mm, 15.5 and 16. Means main scale reading is 16. When circular scale stop, this is our reading 15, 15.5 and 16. So main scale reading is 16 mm. Now take a circular scale reading. This is circular scale. See, here is a baseline and just see which mark on a circular scale is exactly coincide with the baseline. Here is a 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. Baseline is between 29 and 30. Marks on a circular scale. So we will write coincide mark on circular scale is 29. Now n is a 29. Multiply by with LC will be a B. So 29 multiplied by LC is equal to 0.29 mm. Here is the diameter of the sphere is now 16A plus B. A means 16 mm, B is equal to 0.29 mm. So diameter is 16.229 mm. If there is an error in a micrometer screw gauge, you will correct reading using a plus or minus correction. Now take another reading. Diameter of this given wire. You can put this wire between anvil and spindle by using rotation of thimble and then ratchet. When you hear sound, you have to stop to pressing this wire. Otherwise, wire is pressed and reading will be varied. Okay. Now First of all, what we have to do, take main scale reading. Here is the main scale 0.5, and you see this is 1 mm. Can you see? Zero 0.5 and 1 mm. So our reading is, main scale reading is 1 mm. Now circular scale reading, where coincide mark n. Circular scale reading, coincide mark means which mark on circular scale is exactly coincide with the baseline. There is a 20, 21, 22, 23. In this case, reading is between 22 and 23. Baseline is between 22 and 23. So we will write coincide mark 22. Now coincide mark n multiply by LC. LC is 0.01. So 22 multiplied by 0.01 is equal to 0.22 millimeter. Here D is equal to A plus B, means final reading is equal to main scale reading plus B. Main scale reading is 1 and B is equal to 22. So 1.22 mm is the diameter of this given wire. 1 mm, 22, 0.22, 1.22 mm. Main scale reading A, n is equal to 22, B is equal to n multiplied by LC, 0.022. So D is equal to A plus B, main scale reading plus B, main scale reading 1, B is equal to 1.22. So, 0.22. So D is equal to A plus B, 1.22 mm is the diameter of this given wire. Thank you.